In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Amazon Pay plugin for WooCommerce. Whether you're setting up an online store or looking to provide your customers with a seamless and trusted payment method, Amazon Pay is an excellent option. It's widely recognized for its security, convenience, and integration ease. And the best part, setting it up is straightforward. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Amazon Pay up and running on your WooCommerce store. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your website and all its functionality, including plugins. If you're not familiar with plugins, think of them as small tools that add extra features to your site. In this case, we'll be installing the Amazon Pay plugin to enhance your WooCommerce store. Once you've logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where we'll navigate for the next steps. From the dashboard, head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Plugins are like the apps of your website, and this is where you manage them. To install a new one, you'll need to click on the Add New button. This will take you to the plugin installation area. Here you'll find a search bar at the top right of the screen, which is where we'll locate the plugin we need. In the search bar, type Amazon Pay and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of plugins related to Amazon Pay. Now, here's where you need to pay a little attention. You'll want to locate the plugin specifically designed for WooCommerce. It will usually have clear labeling, positive reviews, and a high number of active installations. These details ensure you're selecting the right one and not an unrelated or less reliable option. Once you've found the correct plugin, click the Install Now button. At this point, WordPress will start downloading and installing the plugin for you. This process typically doesn't take very long, so just hold tight for a few moments while it completes. When the installation is finished, you'll see an option to activate the plugin. Go ahead and click that button. Activating the plugin is an essential step. It's what enables the Amazon Pay functionality on your site. Without activation, the plugin is installed but won't do anything. Next, we'll need to confirm that Amazon Pay has been successfully added as a payment method in your WooCommerce settings. To do this, navigate to the payment section within your WooCommerce settings. This is where all your payment options are managed, so it's important to make sure Amazon Pay is listed here. If it's not showing up, double check that the plugin is activated and installed correctly. If Amazon Pay is listed, you're ready to enable it. This is usually done by checking a box or toggling a switch next to the Amazon Pay option. Enabling it makes the payment method live on your store so your customers can use it at checkout. Finally, you'll want to configure the additional settings within the plugin to suit your store's needs. Every store is different, so take some time to review the options available. You might need to enter your Amazon Pay credentials, adjust regional settings, or customize the appearance of the payment button. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how smoothly the plugin integrates with your store. And that's it. With everything set up, your customers can now use Amazon Pay as a secure and convenient payment option. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.